You get a free 7-day Metro card for everyone vaccinated at a subway station, and LIRR Metro North, 2 free one-way trips anywhere in the service area. It's Johnson & Johnson, so it's one shot. So think about this. You are walking into the subway station anyway. You are walking past the vaccination site. It's a one-shot vaccination. Stop, take a few minutes, get the vaccine, and then you get the incentive of a 1-week unlimited Metro card.
That's it? That's it? Oh, wow. Okay. And
basically, I'm not vaccine hesitant or anything like that, but I was in no hurry because I had coronavirus in April last year, so I felt like I probably still had the antibodies, and I wouldn't want to be ahead of other people who might need it more than me. But now the process has grown along enough, and there's places in the United States that have an overabundance of vaccine, so I could jump in. And once I heard about this extra incentive, I got even more motivated.
This place was built by Mr. Vanderbilt back in the 1800s. He never foresaw this being a vaccine center. But boy, what a great concept.